If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Granite Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have checked your email for any messages from Granite Bank. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete the verification process. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Granite Bank account through their official website or mobile app. Look for any notifications or alerts that may provide more details on why your verification is pending. Step 3. Provide required documentation. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit documentation. Follow the instructions provided by Granite Bank to submit your documentation. This may involve uploading files through their secure portal or sending them via email. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Contact customer support. If your verification status remains pending after submitting your documents, reach out to Granite Bank's customer support. They can provide specific information about your account status and assist you in resolving any outstanding issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending status with Granite Bank. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.